that, bush. Hate you. Stupid bush. Hate you. So green and woody. Stupid foliage, leaves.
Hey, what did that bush do to you?
Nothing. It's just fun.
Well, you know, without nature, you wouldn't even be in nature.
Oh man, he's right. I'm sorry, Bush. Oh, look at those guys over there. They're hitting that tree.
Let's go get them.
Let's do it. Hey, stop kicking that tree.
Yeah. What did the tree ever do to you?
Nothing, it's just a stupid tree. Got a problem with that?
Yeah, I got a problem with that. Without nature, we wouldn't even be in nature.
Aw, you're right.